Welcome to my YouTube channel, Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 7th of October 2020 and currently time is 9:12 am. So we are waiting for the opening of market. Now let me show you our watch list. So traders, we are having HDFC Bank, ICI Bank, Reliance and Sun Pharma in our watch list today. Okay traders, so I will be watching chart of each of these stocks, and when I will get any opportunity to trade, I will update you. Okay traders, so now I am pausing the video. So traders, I am seeing an opportunity in HDFC Bank for the sell side. So I am selling HDFC Bank with 10 quantities at market price. Okay traders, so our order has been sent. Let's wait for its execution. Okay traders, so it's taking some time, but okay, this is our stop loss above this Shanghai, and our target will be some points above S1. Okay traders, so this is the trade, and let me tell you the logic for this trade. So the trading setup which I am thinking traders, that is that here it was spending some time near this support price, so there were chances that a good breakout with a good momentum can be seen here. So I have placed the order traders, and when it will hit our target or stop loss, I will update you. So traders, as you can see here, it has now triggered our stop loss and we have booked our loss. So it's totally fine that our stop loss got triggered, and it's a part of trading. Since we are learning and it's a paper trading, we have no worries about it, and our aim is to become a good trader, so we will keep practicing it. So now let us calculate our today's loss. So our total loss point was 7.90. So 7.90 and our quantities were 10. So simple, today's loss is 79 rupees. Okay traders, so traders, this was today's trading video. Hope you learned something from my mistakes and enjoying the video. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.